Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Now I Kubli Yafi Baroha of Meghalaya State, the State Assembly. A very good morning to you all. Now I Kubli Yafi Baroha Nasimong Pikalon Namgipa Salamko One Chengaska. Before I commence my speech, I am very sorry I cannot come by walk today. It is never in the history of my life I was not able to walk. But the first time yesterday something happened, and because of that problem I was supposed to come by wheelchair to attend the first session. Very sorry. It gives me immense pleasure and privilege to address this august house for the first time on its first sitting for the year 2025. On this occasion, I extend my warmest greetings and best wishes to you all as we continue our ambitious journey to transfer Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy by 2028. We recognize this moment as an opportunity to reaffirm our collective commitment to the development of our great state. Today, we reiterate our constitutional duty to work together towards the brighter future for the people of Meghalaya.